It's also a possibility that we can run to this fair value gap, take out this liquidity down here, and then continue upwards.
The next time I got funded, I learned my lesson.
I keep saying this, but I'm telling you, some of y'all will live this.
Hey, let this shit ride, Ty.
YouTube, what's good with y'all, boy? Man, it's your boy ZC Trades, man. And look, I'm fresh out of bed, bro. I didn't do nothing to my hair. My eyes still getting adjusted to the light. But look, I'm on my way to the gym. I got my gallon in my hand and my keys in my pocket, bro. Getting my fresh dose of pain this morning. Today will be the first day where we trade on the live account. I'm sorry, on the express funded account from Top Step. We will most likely come out this week profitable. I get people like to say, before I place this trade, I already accept the fact that I'm going to lose. Yeah, I accept the fact that I'm going to lose this week for sure. But I understand, like, most likely I'm going to come out this week profitable. If I have a 60-70% strike rate, even a 50% strike rate, that means that there's a 50% chance that I'll come out this week profitable. So, in my mind, I'm coming out the week profitable. Yeah, there's a 50% chance that I'm going to lose as well. So, yeah, man. Today, I'm just going to document how much money I make. And, yeah, we on the way to the first payout, y'all boys. But right now, I'm going to be on the way to the gym. Because it's already almost 9 o'clock. I should sleep in today. I was tired as hell. And I look, don't even want to go to the gym, but I got to go get my mind right first. I kind of got, when I first wake up, I got like some type of fog over me. I don't really feel like talking. I want to keep my words to myself. And it's sunny outside too, so I like to find things to be grateful for. But today I need to go put my pain in, man. So that's what I'm ready to go do. Get my mind right for these charts. Yeah, man. Yeah. Man, look at my face. You could tell I'm tired out here, boy. But my lock screen says, every time I open my phone, it says, if you tired, do it tired. Why you bitching? Why you complaining? Just do it. Just do it anyway, bro. Listen, I wanna tell y'all something. The first time I got funded, I thought my life was gonna change. I ran the account up about $2,000, and in one day, I ran that $2,000 to nothing. You know, I ran it in 2 days. I hit my maximum daily drawdown on Top Step, and then the next day I did the same exact thing. I ran the account to nothing in 2 days, man. The next time I got funded, I learned my lesson. I learned it. Just wait for your payout, bro. Just get a chance to taste how it tastes. See how it feels to have that trader money. You extracted the money from the charts, bro. And my Forex fund shut down shortly after. My Forex fund shut down shortly before I was supposed to get my payout. If that happened to you where my Forex fund shut down, all I did was I went to my bank and I disputed the charge. But you know what's some shiesty shit though? Excuse my mouth. It's shiesty how 24 hours before they shut down, they made you pay in Bitcoin. Because I had bought another account while I was waiting. And it made me pay in Bitcoin for some reason, which was super strange to me. So when I woke up the next morning, expecting to have my account credentials, it was shut down. But look though, the whole point of me bringing this up was, both times I thought my life was going to change. This whole year I've had this knowingness though, where my life is about to drastically change. Whether that's in the next year, whether that's in 2 years, it doesn't matter to me. I just know it's coming. There's a knowingness, I feel it. Because my goal was, when I was learning how to trade, and even when I knew how to trade, I knew the fundamentals. My goal over the course of the past, I want to say 18 months, was to force God's hand. It was to put in so much work that God could not deny me the success of being a trader. That was my goal, to learn myself to such a superb degree that God could not deny me. I'm a self-improvement soldier, self-improvement warrior, boy. And that just comes with getting better in the charts. I got better in the charts by becoming more self-aware. Not only that, me becoming more self-aware allowed me to say, oh, okay, this is the most probable setup that I have. And I just did that so many times over time. And I'll tell you what, bro. I've never had an undefeated week in my life. Last week, I went 4-0 to pass the challenge, and I paper traded the next day. and I passed another. It's like I'm calling it out. It's like I know where the market is going. I do. You know, some days I'm gonna lose, but it's just like a 5-0 week. That's completely unheard of in my journal, bro. It's like I just passed ICT to joysticks or something like that. That's how I've really been feeling. But it's only because I've narrowed it down to such a needle point where it's like, this is the only setup I want to trade. And I'm okay not trading if I don't see the setup, which basically is simply me raising my standards. It's like you, my guy, my boy, it's like you saying, yeah, I'm not really into women who, you know, are mad loud. I'm not really into women who be around a bunch of dudes. I'm not really into women who be leeching off of these dudes. I like women who want to go get their own stuff, who got their own big goals. It's like that. You raised your standards. So now you see a lot of options on the daily, yeah, for sure. But that don't mean that you got to engage with them. You're not even engaging with most of those options because your standards are high. That's actually a great way to put it. But yeah, y'all boys, I'm at the gym, man. And I wanted to tell y'all, you will feel a knowingness. At least I do. I feel deeply grounded in myself, deeply connected with my purpose. I feel a knowingness, knowing that, yo, some shit is about to change. I keep telling my girl, keep telling my friend, I got very few friends. I got niggas, people I love, but probably one good friend, two good friends. A friend is somebody who makes the possibility of failure decrease consistently. Somebody who makes the possibility of success improve consistently. I would consider myself a good friend to almost anybody I place myself around naturally. You will have a knowingness, man. Put in so much work God cannot deny you. Put in so much work that you cannot deny yourself. And put in a preposterous amount of work to where if you're not successful, you can't just ignore that. You can't not be successful. It'll bug your soul. It'll irk your soul for the rest of your life if you quit without being successful because of the amount of work that you put into this. That's the point I'm at. And I feel like I pushed it to the tipping point and it's about to start leaking. Once it starts leaking, man, it's gonna start pouring. I can't wait until y'all see the drastic change in my life because I definitely want to be the example. I want to be the role model. People my skin color especially, bro. Because y'all know how we are. It's not a lot of us on this YouTube, man. Not a lot of us that documented the journey and actually going where I'm going. A lot of people be on bullshit and a lot of people just be regurgitating other shit. I'm not doing that. I'm just showing y'all my life. And a lot of the things that I talk about are things that sit on my mind heavy. I'm an overthinker. So, yeah, man. I'm going to go get the workout in real quick. And then we're going to come back to the charts. We're going to see if we see anything. And if we do, I'm going to vlog it for y'all. If I lose, y'all are going to see it. But what I really want to show y'all is throughout the week how staying disciplined will make you profitable. How it has made me profitable. All right? I also want to show y'all my setup. I will be teaching this setup. I feel like, depending on how this week is and how this month is, I may personally have the nastiest strategy that I've ever seen. So, and I trade SMC concepts. I learned from ICT. I studied ICT. I was an ICT workhorse. So, yeah, y'all boys. I'm going to be back. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And I see you all on the charts. Let's get it. YouTube, man, I just finished doing legs, bro. I feel great. Put myself through a lot of pain, endured a lot of pain this morning. So, how I feel right now, can't nothing really fuck me today. I'm gonna hold my peace today. I'm gonna be peaceful, that's all it is. I'm on my way back to the crib, about to hop on these charts and see if we can find us a setup. I was thinking, I think I want like a day in a week where I don't take a trade. You know what I mean? Like a day in a week where I could just regather myself, because 5 days in a row leaves a lot of room to, you know, make a faulty decision, especially back-to-back days, you know what I'm saying? So even though you have like 22 to 23 hours in between your trading sessions, still I want like 48 or something. But it's kind of hard for me because I don't really have a day where it's like, okay, I'll lose the most trades on this day. I don't really have a day like that. I just have days where it's like, okay, I didn't get the entry I wanted, or I don't see a setup that's worth my time. You know what I mean? So do what's best for you. If you feel like you need a break to regather yourself, just don't trade for a day. You don't even have to look at the charts. You know what I'm saying? And it could be any day. It doesn't have to be a specific day. It could just be when necessary. You know what I mean? But look at your data. Like I said, Top Step said we research analysts, man. Look at your data before you look at a chart. Say, okay, cool. This is my most probable setup. This is the most probable day for me to pass a trade. And this is how long it should take me to pass a challenge. I'm not trying to pass no challenge for 2 months, bro. At all. Why the fuck would I do that? Also, I want you guys to pay attention. If you guys can pass a challenge, then a future challenge, then go put $500 into a trade of 8 and start trading your own capital. It don't gotta be like $5 trades. Listen, how I'm doing it, I'm putting $500 into a trade of 8, and I'll probably add about $200 every week. The trades I take are gonna be worth about $40. $40 stop. They're gonna be micros. And I'm not gonna be trading no minis, they're gonna be micros. And the reason why I'm over leveraging like that is because why am I gonna trade $5 and go for a 1 to 3 for $15? It make no sense to me. I would rather just, the most I could lose in a week is 200. That's cool. I'm gonna be putting 200 in it every week anyway, so it only makes sense to just trade 40. Run for the 1 to 3s and run my account at 120. And off of that, I could just be making an extra 800 to 1,000 a month. 800 to 1,000 a month. That can pay a good chunk of my bills, bro. So that's how I'm thinking. I'm not just thinking like, oh, pass the prop firm, get $1,000 payout. No, bro. The same thing that you want to do on a big scale, you could do it on a little scale. If you could do it on a little scale, the law of polarity, bro. As above, so below, as below, so above. You could do it on a bigger scale. Let's get back to the crib, boy. Bow. What's good, YouTube? So I'm saying like it's a new video. Why do I keep doing that? YouTube. So look, I'm at the office, but I'm outside with it because it's a nice ass day. Wifey in her sleep right now. She about to get up, get ready for work. You know what I'm saying? Give her a little long time so she get herself together. I'm outside and I'm looking at ES and I'm like, yo, today it's obvious. It's the obvious direction. There's an obvious direction where we're going. So that doesn't mean that I'm going to catch the most sniper entry. That doesn't mean that I won't get stopped out before we go in there. But I'm looking at it and I'm saying, okay, this is the most probable thing that we're about to do. So I'm about to show y'all. Let's get it. So this is ES. This is on a 15-minute chart. And as you can see, we are consolidating right here. Hold on. Let me clear my screen for y'all boys, man. You might see it dirty. I'm crusty for real. All right, cool. That's best it's going to get. We have this consolidation right here. We have this large wick right here. We might take out this wick, but yeah, we probably will. Take out this wick, the top of this consolidation right here, and then boom, what do you have right here? A gap, a big old volume imbalance, man, from Friday to Sunday, open time. And we're not even on the regular trading hours. We are on the electronic trading hours. So that gap must be filled in, y'all boys. Never mind the gap, though. What do we have right here? Whoa, that bird was loud as hell. We have relative equal lows right here. I love the song that you singing. I don't mean to cut your wisdom, but I'm trying to record a video. Like, I'm a nature baby though. I love these birds, man. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a market structure shift. I actually haven't even seen the 5-minute chart yet. So this is the 930 candle. We corrected it, so we might boost up and then take out this liquidity first, and then we might make the move downwards. But what this looks like on a lower time frame to me is a possible short-term low. Possible short-term low. Let's see. Yep, short-term low. If this is violated with displacement, then I would trust that we are going to run towards that fair value gap. But also what I would want to see first is I want to see all of this consolidation taken out in order for me to trust that we are truly going to run. Maybe we'll run. It's also a possibility that we can run to this fair value gap, take out this liquidity down here, and then continue upwards on a higher time frame and take out this liquidity. But I would like to see this get done first. That way we have no reason to come back up into the range if we do displace lower. So yeah, man, it's about to just be a waiting game. Let's see what we get. I don't have to follow no rule that says my profits can't be 50% bigger than the profit target. So whatever I get, if I catch a monster move, I'm gonna catch a monster move. However, I am only allowed to use 2 contracts at the moment. Typically I don't go over it anyway. So on ES, each point is worth 50 bucks. So let's see what we get. I'm gonna see if I catch a monster move. And if I do, I'm gonna do a lot, man. So yeah, man, I'll be back when I see something worth my time to get it. All right, YouTube, so I'm looking at this setup right now. We finally got this placement below these lows, and I got a volume imbalance sitting inside of a Sibby, and we got a big ass volume imbalance. It's basically a new week opening gap from this week and last week. I'm about to show y'all, look. So I could easily take this 1 to 2 right here, or I could go risky and go for a damn near 1 to 4 right here. But I'm not really too worried about taking a risk on this account. Like I said, we're gonna build up to 30 days. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take this 1 to 2, put my stop in a safe place, and we're just gonna take this easy target up. Not only that, but we got 2 volume imbalances right here. This one is the most obvious. These are the kinds that I like to enter off of. However, we do have another one right here. And because of the risk to reward and my stop can go to a safe place, I think I'm gonna enter on that one instead of this one. If this trade plays out without me, that's cool, man. We're gonna have plenty more this week. It's only Monday. All right, cool. So I actually just adjusted the whole setup. I'm actually gonna take it at this volume imbalance right here in the middle. If it loses, I accept it. But check this out. We got this 1 minute volume imbalance right here that I just showed y'all. But it also aligns with this 3 minute volume imbalance perfectly. They're sitting in the same exact spot. So our stop really is in a risky spot. I do think that we can retrace this high. I mean, it's not even that high. It's about the premium of the range. I would say the consequent encroachment of the range. It's really not that high. Yep, it's sitting right at the consequent encroachment. I don't see any reason for it to come any higher than that. But if it does, we're just gonna accept defeat and we're just gonna kill the markets tomorrow. Remember, all you gotta do is stay alive to trade another day. Because another day you're gonna catch a win, and this loss will be absolutely nothing to you. It will mean jack shit. So hopefully we get this retracement. I do have faith in this trade. And yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all boys in a couple minutes. All right, y'all, hopefully y'all can hear me. It's getting a little windy out here, but I'm not fucking moving. I'm not gonna lie. I don't care if this video don't get posted. I'm not fucking moving. I'm enjoying this weather. And check this out right quick. So we are about to get tagged in for our entry. I put my limit a little bit below the volume imbalance. I'm gonna let y'all see it real quick. If you can see, sorry my screen dirty as hell, son. But look, we got this fat volume imbalance right here. We also have more up here. Like I said, I am running risky putting my stop right here. But being as this volume imbalance is on the 1 minute and it's in the same spot on the 3 minute, I'm about to show y'all one more time. I am just gonna leave my stop right there because we shouldn't run past that. Now, if we close above this and then we get a candle bouncing off of this and then moving up, then goes bullish, then I'll close early, you feel me? But I am risking $50 less than I normally do. And I'm not really too worried about it. This trade look good to me. So if I was feeling ballsy, I would double up on my risk. So hopefully we do get our entry because we are 100% going down here. People tell you can't read the markets. I'm reading this shit, son. I'm reading it. So this would be the first trade that we clear. If we clear it, this would make my winning streak 6 days. Really 5 days if you don't want to count the paper trading. But I would have took that trade if I didn't pass the challenge already. I didn't have an account. You know what I mean? So if we tap into this entry, depending on how we react to this volume imbalance, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna run for that full TP. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all boys. So we just got triggered in. Let's see. What I like to see is I like to see multiple candles try to push above and then fail to push above. I like to see wicks like that. Now let's say we get a candle like that and then we get another one, 2 more. That is gonna make me it's damn near gonna make me want to add another contract because at that point this can be my easy TP, and this limit right here is it's only a matter of time. So I'm gonna get back with y'all boys in a little bit. It's getting windy out here. I don't I don't want to be boom winning y'all ears, man. So let me get right back with y'all, boy. Boom. So now that we are closing like this and rejecting like this on the 1 minute, what I want to see is I want to see the same thing on the 3 minute, because the 3 minute is the confluence that made me actually take this trade right here. So I want to see this close here. I want to see a rejection, and then I want to see a push down. I do believe we are going to go to this volume imbalance down here. Now I could push it and go for the full rebalance of this volume imbalance, but why do that? Why do that? I would be cool with this profit. So this profit, what I would make off this trade is a little slightly under what I would make in a week. So last time I was funded, I was giving it to greed a whole lot, man. I had passed a couple trades. I keep saying this, but I'm telling you, some of y'all will live this. I passed a couple trades. I was in the blue, and I thought I was the shit, but I gave into greed. So I'm like, man, I got 2,000, but I really want 5 bands. Fuck that, bro. Fuck that 5 band. That 5 band's gonna come when it's time, bro. Stick to the script. Stick to the plan. Don't get greedy. Keep yourself humble. If I clear this trade, I'm on a 5-6 winning streak. I'm still humble about it, bro. It means nothing. It can be taken from me in a day. One losing trade can take this from me, and then I could very well go on a losing streak. So stay humble about it. It'll keep you level-headed. It'll keep you grounded. But yeah, man. Let me get back with y'all boys in a second. Bow. All right, y'all boys. So in the 3 minute, we are looking fucking lovely. You feel me? And then on the 1 minute, we got plenty volume imbalances to hold us. I could set my stop to break even, but I'm not going to yet. If we return to this area right here, I might add another position and then set my stop at break even right here. So let's see what happens. We might just run straight there. We're gonna mark up this volume imbalance on the 2 minute. But yeah, man. Let's fucking see what happens. I don't know, y'all boys. Should I play it safe? Should I play it safe and not add another position and just accept the 750? I was just saying don't get greedy. But I'm just so used to seeing this play out that I'm just like, I could capitalize on this situation, but I could capitalize on plenty more. So I'm sorry my screen dirty as hell, but if y'all could see, then it really don't matter. But yeah, bow. So this is the 3 minute chart. I'm honestly expecting price to just run. You know what I mean? It's playing around right now, but when it does go to that volume imbalance, when it's serious about it, it's just gonna run as if there's a magnet here. The same thing with this weekly opening gap. Price is going to draw towards this because it's like a black hole. You know what I'm saying? So it's an easy target. Today is easy money, man. So if we pull back up, I am gonna enter again because we are definitely coming down here. YouTube, okay, cool. So it looks like we are going up for this retracement. Now, the reason why this is not running straight to it yet, the reason why it is going to retrace is because if we look at Dow Jones, if we look at the new week opening gap, we've already tapped into it on Dow Jones. My screen dirty as hell. All right, and then if we look at NASDAQ, we've already completely rebalanced it. So these markets, NASDAQ and Dow Jones, they are going to rise again. For that reason, even if it's temporary, but for that reason, ES is most likely going to rebalance. If it does, I'm just gonna make some more money today. It's cool. Now how I'm looking at this is, if we rise above this volume imbalance and we close above it, price is just going to tap back into it and use it to boost above. If we don't, price is just gonna fall, man. So let's see what happens. I'm in it either way. I'm with it either way. Either way, I'm following this move. Either way, I'm gonna capitalize on this. So let's get it. All right, y'all boys. So I did capture a screen recording that will be on my Instagram. I post these trades every day, but if I'm vlogging it and trying to screen record to post on my Instagram every single day, it makes it a little bit difficult. But we did go ahead and hit full TP. I was a little nervous right here, only for the simple fact that it was playing around, and I'm like, okay, if it pulls up, it is 11 o'clock. It is low-key outside of the time that I'm comfortable holding a trade. So what I was thinking was, if it closed above and then we got a reaction and an impulse move up, I would just take it out at this right here. Cool. But once we rejected off of this and we left this volume imbalance right here, we tapped into it and I knew it was a good game. I knew it was a GG's. So the precision is insane. Look at the rejections. Look at the rejections on the entry. And we'll probably keep running down lower into here before we rise back up because, mind you, in the very beginning, I said I want to see this consolidation taken out as well. So this may get taken out in the PM session, or it may be a target for us tomorrow. But yes, sir. So that was the first trade that I took on my Top Step account. This week we're probably gonna catch plenty more bangers. We'll at least catch at least one more. You know what I'm saying? If we catch one more banger, then this week is gonna come out profitable. And yeah, man, it's just what we do. You know what I mean? If you don't follow my Instagram, go follow my Instagram at ZC Trades. I'm going to keep saying it, y'all boys, because Instagram is going to be where I post a lot. I actually hate Instagram. I have a personal Instagram that I barely use. I don't have any pictures up on it or anything. But I can't upload a YouTube story. You know what I mean? Y'all can't keep in touch with me through YouTube. So get with my Instagram. You can DM me. We'll have a full-blown conversation, man. Not Hollywood. I keep saying this. But yes, sir, man. It's just what we do. Like I said, I'm going to teach my strategy to y'all. That is 6-0 for me. Y'all will know my strategy by the end of the year. And soon, we're going to have built that Discord community that we keep talking about. And like I said, man, I'm just a regular guy. But I want y'all to see how my life is about to change. Because I feel it. I imagine it every single night. I have dreams about it. And honestly, it's the most dominating thought in my mind. And that right there, that's really how I know that everything is about to change. So, yeah, man. I'm thinking about ending the video off right here. If y'all tuned into this, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I will most likely have more of these videos throughout the week. And if y'all continue to eat these up, I'm just going to keep uploading them because I got value to share every day. These conversations that I have with these cameras that y'all enjoy listening to me have, I cannot just go into real life and have these conversations with people. I'm not in that type of area. I don't have those type of friends. And yeah, man, I feel like it's just me against the world sometimes. I'm okay with that. Would you rather be at peace with yourself and at war with the world, or at peace with the world and at war with yourself? Me, I need this peace within. Fuck the world. But yeah, man, y'all boys stay safe, tighten up, and everything you see me do, you can do. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna prove it to y'all. Y'all boys stay blessed. I appreciate you for tuning in. I'm gonna get with y'all on the next one, man. Blah.